Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be refinishing a desk that I had sitting in my garage for over a year and a half. So if you want to see that makeover, then just keep watching. My initial plans for this desk was to refinish it for my own personal use, but since it's been so long, I feel like those plans have changed and I will be in fact selling it instead. I will be reusing the hardware, so I will be placing it to the side. When we purchased this desk, it looked like it had already been painted by the previous owner. I wanted to strip the drawer fronts, but before I did, I sanded them lightly using 120 grit sandpaper to allow the paint stripper to penetrate deeper. As I waited on the paint stripper to do its thing on the drawer fronts, I went ahead and cleaned the base of the desk with some Dawn dish soap. After 2 rounds of stripper, I scrubbed it down with some fine steel wool and mineral spirits to remove any residue. I scuff sanded using 180 grit sandpaper. It's been a couple of videos since I've done a complete voiceover like this, so let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer it this way or prefer just music. I know sometimes it can get kind of repetitive, which is why my last few videos I decided to just use music. If y'all saw my video with the hutch makeover I mentioned that the quick wood epoxy has been giving me some issues, so I've permanently switched over to the Gorilla brand. After filling the larger areas with the epoxy, I also filled smaller imperfections with regular wood filler. While I waited on all of that to dry, I went ahead and sanded down the drawer fronts, working my way from 180 grit to 220 grit. Once everything was sanded down, we were finally ready to start priming. I used the shellac-based primer with a foam roller and applied 2 coats, making sure to sand in between. Today I'm going to be using Behr paint in the color Authentic Tan in a satin finish. While I waited on the first coat to dry, I stained my drawer fronts in the color Special Walnut, and to add more of a worn out barn wood look, I layered a wash of the same color I used on the base. This time around I am using a slightly different top coat. It is still a water-based paraffin polyurethane, but it is a thicker formula that claims one coat to equal 3 coats of the regular one. For the hardware, I did the half vinegar, half water solution, scrubbed, and then polished with some fine steel wool. Let's take a moment to remember what this desk used to look like and what it looks like now. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments below on what you thought of this desk. I know it's not a traditional way of refinishing a French provincial desk, but I really do love the end result of it. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to be subscribed to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. You're not going to want to miss. I have a lot more makeover videos coming, as well as a house to home series episode. So you guys stay tuned. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.